What is going on there, YouTube? Sorry about that. The first upload was a fail, but here is take two. Alright guys, so this was a mystery box, guys, where I had no clue what was actually in it. As you see, I just unpacked it because an eBay seller decided to give me a free model, and he wouldn't say which one. He said it was a surprise. So let's go ahead and review it. It's not the best. It's Japan Airlines. Alright guys. Don't know what brand it's from because it didn't say. It just came in like this cheap plastic. So first off, we got the cockpit windows, okay? I'm not going to go into too much detail to this because I'm not a fan of it. We are just going to do a quick look over of it, okay? And we're going to come down here. We got the green navigation lights, okay? Following over here. And we're going to come down here. And the registration for this aircraft, guys, it's JA861J. Alright, and we're just going to come over here. So yeah, I don't know what brand this is. If you guys know, link in the comments, peace. Sorry if this is a boring video. Yeah, it's a Shrinking Milk and Coke class, LOL. Peace.